Easy now, you're doing great. Nice and slow, just a little further.
Keep moving, right this way.
Sorry.
Almost there, easy girl. Heart and lungs sound clear. She's alert and hydrated. Good, I'll log that now.
Health indicators are satisfactory. The cow passes the monitoring stage. Noted.
Finalizing the report now. Health documentation confirmed. The cow is approved. Guide her to the washing section.
Understood, doctor. Easy now, easy. Secure the lead line.
Got it, starting the rinse now.
We're almost done with the flank. Looks good. Rinse the lower legs thoroughly before we move on. All right.
Engines. Workers rinse the neck and shoulder region. Fresh water flows evenly over the coat. Any
Looks perfectly clean, meets all requirements. Okay, we'll move the Simmental now.
The texture consistency here is excellent. Agreed. Let's record the measurements and mark the approved area.
mincer. Workers use measuring tools to check thickness. Every sheet must meet factory standards. Data is entered into the
We have adjusted the sleeve grading here.
Yeah.
Perfect. This is ready for production.
Special collar sections are cut separately. The leather grain direction is considered. Workers ensure perfect symmetry. Every collar piece
Front jacket panels are joined together. Experienced Hispanic male operators guide the machines. Stitch lines remain straight and strong.
The sleeves are attached to the jacket body. Workers carefully align each section. Industrial machines create durable seams.
The leather collar is attached. Workers position it precisely. The stitching blends neatly with the design. The collar Metal buttons and accessories are attached. Workers use precision tools. Each component is secured firmly.
There is a slight irregularity right here.
I see it.
It's acceptable within the tolerance. The rest looks perfect.
That's the last label for this batch.
Excellent work. Quality check passed.